Okay, I think it's recording. Let's see. Get my finger out of the way. Okay, we'll do a quick walk around first. Here's the Titan, right here. She's in the rebuild process right now. I got the front painted. Let me show over here. We got all the Optima batteries installed. There's 4 there. There's 2 more down there. We got the air compressor for the air horn. Here's the cold air intake over here. I'm working on getting my... yeah. And we'll come around over here. I got it inside totally tore apart. I'm totally redoing the dash in it. Yeah, oh yeah, so yeah. I got the air horns working though, listen to this. Okay, I haven't started her at all today. Let's hit the gas one time and let's start it and see how she starts. Just got open headers on her right now. I haven't finished putting the exhaust on, but we just put the headers on and we're also installing the airbags down there. I need to burn off that header wrap stuff. He's smoking pretty good yesterday. Got the door back on her. Got the generator all up and running. Still got more work to do in there though. I'm gonna put a fan to cool it. And I gotta fix one of these latches. It's all cleaned up, working good. New carburetor. I'm working on the back of it. I got the tire cover off of it right now. I'm putting another tail light, an LED tail light above the existing one. I got this one on this side. This one's not done on this yet. Let me get a quick shot of the roof. Show you where the solar panels are gonna go. It needs to be resealed. I gotta reseal it. I gotta fix the air conditioner. It's not working. But it looks like it's an air conditioner and heat pump unit. So if I can get it working right, I'll have heat and air out of it. There's my old antenna, it's coming off. I got a new antenna that's going on there. Sure don't fall off the ladder. I ran out of memory. Did you? Okay, here's this side of her. She's sexy. Gotta fix hot water heater. Do some plumbing work on it. Here's the curtain rod that goes in over in the front. None of the headlights worked. I got all the headlights working and everything on it. Got them painted blue on the bevels. Brand new headers. I had an exhaust leak, one manifold. I had a kicked exhaust on the other side. I'm still working on the furnace. We haven't got the furnace installed yet, but the refrigerator's working. There's the Crazy Maze. He's in here. The sofa. I got the aluminum foil up right now, trying to keep the heat back here. Here's the kitchen. It's a total wreck because it's under construction right now. You got the sink and everything there. Stove over there. Got to get the vent put in. Got my refrigerator's working here. Got some ice cream in there. Stuff here and there. Yep. on the roof. I got a water leak back here in the bathroom behind the toilet somewhere. I gotta find that. I'm getting a new sink. The door's off of this cabinet right here because the mirror fell out of it, so I need to fix that. Here's the bedroom currently. We got this heater down here. Got my clock up there. There's the speaker. Window, I got a shade on it right now. More cabinets. This is where I'm doing my USB, and I got a power port there, some chargers for my flashlights. Got the windows in the bed here. My LED spotlight there, and my other speakers up there. Here's the shower. Right now I got the vacuum cleaner and the safe in there. Keep anybody from messing with my stuff. If there's a water leak behind it somewhere, I'm not sure if we're gonna keep it or remodel that or do what with it. Go back down this way. There's my crazy dog. There's my cabinet. It's actually a closet, but we're using it for food storage. They put some shelves in here. Hanging the lighting, getting my cab lights working, get my vents all put back together, and my air conditioner working. Come on, crazy, come on outside, buddy. Cluster right now. I got this side out. This I've got almost ready. I got my tack put in there. My gas gauge isn't working again, damn it. And a fan over here because that's where that tight envelope used to be. This red mess up here. I got my other speaker mounted over there. This is gonna be a panel. This panel is partway up. I think I'm going to redo it. I love the tighten up there though. I got my warning light, got the stereo going. This is another switch panel supposed to be right here. My other infinity speaker. And the CV radio's over there. Secondaries are like plugged up. The guy started it all the time, but he didn't obviously drive it, so there's never opened the secondaries hardly. So there's got some crap in them. If you floor it like that, got a little hesitation there, right there. Kind of worked that out of it. But once you get her working, choke must not be open all the way. She's still island just a tad high. Gotta get it in and stick it. Here's a couple of my gauges I got working. Here's my fuel pressure. My vacuum. Got my vacuum leak straight, I think. I got my heater just all hooked up right. Let's see about that. I'll just vacuum mine real quick. So, he's under construction. not.